Good morning. Today we're going to do a quick meal for the dinner in 10 minutes with 3 onions, 4 mushrooms and some sliced meat. Okay, very easy. The mushroom, okay, cut in two. Mushroom done, ready. Ok, comme ça. We're going to cut very thin, huh? Oh, look at these beautiful onions. Now we're going to cut the meat. Now the meat, you know, we have to take by law a board, a red board. I'm going to cut this meat in little strip. Okay, so we got some beautiful meat and our beautiful onions ready to cook. In a pan, put a little bit of butter, a bit of olive oil. Okay, when the butter is melted, we're going to re-salt the meat. Okay, just a little bit. You have to pre-cook the meat. Now you can cook it depending on what you like. If you like well done or if you like rare, it's up to you. Okay, now the meat is cooked rare, and I keep the juice to cook the onions in it. Now we cook the onions. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. The onions are melting. Now we can add the mushroom as well. Beautiful. During this time, we're going to make a little marinade. Now I'll be doing a little marinade, and what I'll be using, 1 scoop of corn flour, and I have to dissolve a little bit of water. You have to mix well. Okay. Now what we do, 2 spoons of soy sauce. Now 1 spoon of oyster sauce. We put just a tiny bit of pure sesame oil. Just half a spoon, up, to give it a little flavor. And also 1 spoon of crushed ginger to give flavor. Minced garlic, oh, that smells good. And we'll be putting the sesame seeds on the top at the end. I don't need to put salt, but we can put some pepper. And a little bit of pepper, black pepper. A little bit of Tabasco. Oh, look at these onions. They smell good. Oh, look at that. Gratination, melting. Beautiful. See the onions? They are beautiful. Now they start to caramelize. Now what we do, we add the meat. Ho ho ho. We're ready. And we have to cook the meat now. A little bit more. And what I do with our nice sauce, we cook. I don't put too much, you never know. That's to cook slowly because we got some corn flour. Oh, that smells good already. Oh, nice. During this time, cook slowly, and I'll be preparing my parsley and decoration for the dish. Okay, all is in. Oh, that smells good. That'll be a nice meal. The beef with onion. Okay. Look at it. I'll try if it's hot enough. Ooh, not hot. We check the seasoning. Whoa. We're going to dish up. Now, a little bit of decoration with fresh basil leaves from the garden. Okay, look at that, mama. And we put also some sesame seed. Oh la la! Like restaurant, and parsley from the garden, that's for the garden, and Italian parsley from the garden. Okay, we're ready to have a nice dinner. That looks beautiful. The glazed onions and shiny sauce. Let's taste it now. Oh, that's delicious. What a nice balance of flavor. The meat is tender and cooked at perfection, and the onions and mushroom are melting in the mouth. Yummy!